Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through filtering the data on your Data tab. You'll find the filter tool on the left-hand side. Here, when you click it open, you will select your data column. So remember, these are your data columns, and we're going to click this and choose a column to filter by. Then we can set the search criteria. I'm okay with contains, but there's all of these other options for you. And then I'm going to simply search and then click continue. And now I can see my 3 Michaels all at once. You clear that filter simply by clicking on the X right here, and then you can see all of your data again and go ahead and filter once again. And that's how you filter the data on the Data tab. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.